I love it.
Hello. Oh, you love it. Oh! Alalay, naingon siya. I love it, Lai.
No,
Lai, naingon siya.
I
I love it.
I hear that. Tita. Yes,
Eh,
dan visoe.
naingon man siya. I
Tita.
love it. Asa man kuno siya gikan na to yung I love it, be.
I love it. What is that at your back? I like it.
Na, I like it daw.
I love it. I like it. Oh, I'm so Visoe.
Very good. You like it. You love it, boy. Boy, what's your food for tonight? Hmm? What are you going to eat? Ay, hala! Okay, Dana, boy. What is your name? You tell me your name. My name is... Papiyong-piyong na mong mataron.
Sawi, stop it. Sawi, stop it.
Kung saan mo ko na to? Ay, ningisi siya. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Smile. I smile,
Smile.
tita.
Smile.
I smile, tita.
Yeah.
And you?
Do you smile in school, boy, with your classmates? Do you smile at your teacher?
Don't touch this one, Kema. It will break.
Lagi na. Kapalit yung nagbag-og phone na imong mama na pud kaon na niya. Mapilde na pud na kung isa ka gatos. Ay, guba na yung phone, boy.
Go, yeah, but you sige, we make it stupid,
Naingon siya, you make me stupid, like.
I love it.
Uy, you love it? Uy, asa mo kuno kagikan na ng you love it, boy? You love it, I like it. Ingon siya, like, na. Siya pa kaana, istorya mo siya sa kuha. Daghan na pa, boy.
How many shrimps already you eat at the lab?
Nakalami siya yung sudan, shrimp. Hala, 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 hala. Hala. Aya lagi nga kay wala gyud filter. Imong filter kana rang imong background sa likod o nga unsa man na kinakas kitchen. You are in the kitchen, boy. Ha? Uy, nagpiyong-piyong siya lay. Hala, nagmodeling siya lay. Oh. Hala, kapiyong-piyong siya.
I love it.
You love it, boy? You love your filter? Word of the day, like I love it.
Purpose.
Ha? So, nagigutom na na. Nangita na nagkaon sa kusina. Wa pa kagigutom, boy.
Way.
Sige ni kag gisi, boy. Kinsa maasa kang kinsa man ka nagpa-cute, boy. Gangisi-ngisi si Maxi boy layo. Istos agnawong.
Besawit! Besawit! Di man
Max,
ko niya i-appeal, eh.
Apila imong mama boy. Sige. Apila imong mama. Ayaw anak lay. Kanang tapad mo nga sa direction sa imong kuan ni Maxi boy. Uy hala.
Kwiatki. Kwiatki.
Unsa man na lay? Fireworks yang ingon?
Ayan. Candy bear. Candy bear.
Did he say fireworks in Polish?
This is the Sophie is the dead. Dead. Here I survive Lisa. Very what you get. Beat the key. Daddy today. Chicken. Chicken? No.
Makabili ka ganun kang chicken? You don't like chicken, boy? Chicken is delicious.
What? The chicken. The chicken.
Now, what do you like to eat tonight then? Do you want fish? You want fish? Dan, nalubat na kuno ko. Lai, nalubat na kuno ko, Lai. Maxi boy, I will say goodbye to you because my phone is dead.
Meat.